So here I'm trying to create an account in Tertulia app. So for this app at the moment is invite only. So you need to get access link, which you can get on their website. So and then I will show you. So for example, here's the website. You need to go here, request access. Then you will get an email with access link. Looks like this. Here is access link. You can then you need to download an app and click on this link and you should be good. So you can cut the line with this access, but it will expire 24 hours. And then so make sure to activate your account today. So yep, that's the idea. And then here you have types of books. You can select which books you like, and then you need to select which voices do you want to hear from. Select 3 or more. So basically, if you select these users, you will see books recommendations from them, I guess. So who should I? Okay. And then there is then you can get like 3 months free membership, free shipping, 10% of all books, co-ownership in Tertulia, and there you have it. I don't know what that is. I didn't put any subscription on my Apple ID, but there you have it. So now you can explore. So this app is kind of like Netflix for books. So the main feature is it creating this recommendation algorithm for interesting books to read. So then you will see trending. There are a lot of users on this app right now, so probably it's a to be honest, maybe it's a bit buggy. So okay, let's try to open it. So it's still loading. So yeah, seems it's still a bit buggy because it was featured in the media and users signing up. Maybe it's not ready yet, but anyhow, this is how you create an account.